I'm Ashak Kuzikan. I'm from Armenia, and I'm very happy to sing for you three pieces. I'm going to start with Verdi's one of early operas, Attila, and sing title aria of Attila. So,
non hai veduto, tu non udisti, che pur feroce qui s'aggirava, e mi parlò. Sua voce parea, sento in caverna. Io fido, ascolta. Mentre gonfiarsi l'anima parea dinanzi a Roma, ma parve immane un ferio che m'afferrò la chioma. Il senso è pio travolto, la marce lo sol brando, e mi sorrise in volto, e tal mi fe comando. Ti flagellar l'incarco contro i mortali ai sol, arretra orchioso il varco. Questo de nomi è il suol. In meta i detti suonano, cope fatali ancor, e l'alma impetua d'Attila, s'agghiaccia, s'agghiaccia pel terror, s'agghiaccia pel terror. E l'alma impetua d'Attila s'agghiaccia pel terror. Oltre quel limite attento aspetto, encargo ad Attila, chi mai potrà. Vedrai se parido io l'amarò, se al fin me vindice il mondo avrà. Vedrai se pavido io l'amarò, se al fin me vindice il mondo avrà, il mondo avrà, il mondo avrà.
second piece is famous Le Nozze di Figaro, last aria of Figaro.
Tutto è disposto, l'ora dovrebbe esser vicina. Io sento gente, ed essa non è alcun. Buia è la notte, ed io comincio amai a fare il scimunito mestiero di marito. Ingrata nel momento della mia cerimonia, il codeva leggendo e nel vederlo io rideva di me senza saperlo. Oh, Susanna, Susanna, quanta pena mi costi con quell'ingenua faccia, con quegli occhi innocenti. Chi creduto l'avrìa a che fidarsi a donna e ognion follia. Aprite un po' quegli occhi, uomini cauti e sciocchi, guardate queste femmine, guardate cosa son, guardate cosa son, guardate cosa son. Queste catene dall'ingannati sensi, a cui tribota i censi la debole ragion, la debole ragion, la debole ragion. Son streghe che incantano per farci penar, sirene che incantano per farci affogar, civete che allettano per darci le piume, comete che brillano per toglierci lume. Son rose spinose, son volpi fezzose, son orse benigne, colombe maline, maestre d'indanni, amiche d'affanni che fingono mento l'amore. Non senton pietà, non senton pietà, no, 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 no. Il resto non lo dico, già ognuno lo sa. Aprite un po' quegli occhi, uomini incauti e sciocchi, guardate queste femmine, guardate cosa son, son streghe che incantano, il resto non lo dico, sirene che incantano, il resto non lo dico, civete che allettano, il resto non lo dico, comete che brillano, il resto non lo dico, son rose spinose, son volpi fezzose, son orse benigne, colombe maline, maestre d'indanni, amiche d'affanni che fingono dentro l'amore. Non senton pietà, non senton pietà, no, 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 no. Il resto non lo dico, già ognuno lo sa. Il resto non lo dico, già ognuno lo sa. Già ognuno lo sa, già ognuno lo sa, già ognuno lo sa.
And the last piece is a song by Mussorgsky. It's from the last song from the song cycle called Songs and Dance of Death. This song is called The Field Marshal, dedicated to the war.
La voce in vita, le sciot тянутся враги, все яростней и злей. И пала ночь на поле брани, дружины в мраке разошлись. Всё стихло, и в ночном тумане сияния к небу поднялись. Тогда залена луною на боевом своем коне Кощей, сверкая белизною, явилась смерть. И в тишине, внимая вопли и молитвы, довольство гордого полно. Как полководец место битвы кругом объехала она. На холм поднявшись, оглянулась, остановилась, улыбнулась. И над равниной боевой пронесся голос роковой. Кончена битва, я всех победила, все предо мной вы смирились, бойцы. Жизнь вас поссорила, я помирила. Дружно вставайте на смотр мертвецы, маршем торжественным мимо пройдите. Войско мое я хочу сосчитать. Кости потом свои кости сложите, сладко от жизни в земле отдыхать. Годы незримо пройдутся годами, в людях исчезнет и память о вас. Я не забуду и вечно над вами пир буду править в полуночный час. Пляской тяжелою в землю сырою я притопчу, чтобы сень гробовую кости покинуть повек не смогли. Чтоб никогда вам не стать из земли.
And I would like to sing for you tonight two very contrasting arias in every possible sense. So the first aria, I will just say something about the first one and then later I will tell you about the second one. So the first aria is from Puccini's opera Suor Angelica, where that is a very young lady who in all this world at that time, she gave birth to a little beautiful boy. And since her aunt was a princess, she was very angry because that was a shame for the whole family. So she put her in a convent where she had to live with other nuns. And after a few years, actually after 7 years, her aunt comes to the convent to tell her that her sister is getting married and that she has to sign some papers for the whole property that she will give to her sister. And then she says, okay, I will sign the papers if you tell me where is my baby. And then her aunt tells her that her baby died 2 years ago. And so she sings very, very emotional aria in Italian, Senza Mamma, that says, without your mom, my little baby, you died. It's very emotional. So feel free to cry if you want.
Tu sei morto
it is actually La Traviata. I'm sure you know a lot about this opera, and Violetta is a very interesting character if I have to just describe her in one word. She's a courtesan. This is the aria of the first act, in the first act of this opera, and she meets Alfredo. And he says to her, "Oh, I love you. I love you since the moment I've met you, since the moment I've seen you, I really love you." And since she never felt real love in her heart, she's very confused. And now she says, is this really love? Oh my God, my heart never felt something like this. Or maybe no, maybe I should just enjoy my life. Maybe I should just be happy as I was until now. So she's very, very confused through the whole aria, which I hope you will understand through my gestures. And enjoy.
keep you entertained now for the next 10 minutes or so. Tri o gantorion, three singers that are studying BA perfformio, BA in performance, tri o fyfyrwyr, a tri o fyfyrwyr ar gael llwyddiant fel gyrraedd yn sylfaen wyliaethol yr Urdd yn ddiweddar. Felly, cyntaf, bydd yn canu bydd Glaid Rhys, wedyn bydd Bethan Ceiliog, ac yn gorffen bydd Lloyd Macy. Ac eto, di gwaith llir ddim yn dod i ben, a mae'r cyfeilion wedi bod yn bendigedig yn dod i, a bydd llir cyfeilio'r tri yma yn ogystal. Felly, mwynhewch yr adloniant, ac gobeithio bydd yn eiliad.
Sorf mewn Wn i ddim beth i'w wneud am digon eithom ni Mae'n bryd iawn ond dal yn dyn A dwi'n fodlon ar hyn Rwy'n gweld ei boen
What is it about her that makes me want her? What is it about her that hoists the sea? Something in her smile, something that I'll never understand. Wild abandon, what is it about her that parts the waters? What is it about her that tips the sea? Something in her hair, instructing where to touch. Why do I need her so much? This woman makes me cry, this woman makes me burn, this woman's eye can cut me to the core. The hatred that I see has been reserved for me, yet I want more.
Rhys
Dyn ni falch iawn o weld nifer o wynebau cyfarwydd yma, nifer o geiniogau staff yma heno, a dyn ni'n croesawu chi'n arbennig yn ôl ato ni, a wastad croeso i chi yma, fel ydych chi yn gwybod. Wel, mae noson wyddiannus fel hyn yn dibynnu ar nifer sylweddol o unigolion, a da ni'n ffodus iawn yn y brifysgol hon bod yma dîm sy'n gweithio'n galed yn ddiwyd yn barhaus i sicrhau nosweithio fel hyn. Gai gyfeirio benodol heno at dîm cyfathrebu corfforaethol y brifysgol sydd bob amser yn rhoi cant y cant ac yn trefnu digwyddiadau llwyddiannus fel hyn. Dyn ni'n ddiolchgar dros ben i chithau fel tîm heno. Diolch yn fawr. I've already referred to our 5 friends on this side of the chapel. On this side as well, we have the accompanists. Some amazing accompanists this evening, and thank you very much indeed for your support. The closer in gynt, though, bod yna 19 wedi cystadlu. There were 19 competitors here throughout the day, I understand. And I wouldn't like to continue as shoes today. Very, very difficult, I'm sure, and particularly this evening with these 5 wonderful finalists. Rhowch diolch felly i'r ddiwrniad. Ni hefyd diolchgar i Mr Dilwyn Williams yn Nantgaredig am ei haelioni. Mr Williams ddim wedi bod yma heno, ond ni'n estyn ni'n cofio'n bore at Mr Williams. Hefyd diolch i Glain, i Betsan a Lloyd, ein myfyrwyr israddedig ni ar y cwrs bia perfformio. Diolch i chi am rannu'ch talentau. A diolch i'ch tiwtor chi. Diolch Eilir am anfon yn ysgol. And finally, Chloe, Kieran, Christy, Ashak and Nella. Whatever the outcome of tonight's competition, we wish you the best. Pob dymuniad da i'r beth ohonoch.
Felly, y wobr am, wobr chi y gynulleidfa. Mae hwnnw heno yn mynd i Nella Sharish.
Well, thank you, and it was great being in our shoes today, because we just had to sit and listen to all these singers come and do the really hard work. And clearly, and thank you also to you for a huge amount of repertoire, which I know you've just seen shortly before the competition. And you were there to support and help the 19 singers do something which is really a major feat, which is on a slightly cold Sunday coming to a slightly cold chapel and recreate a piece of opera or performance without any help from stage scenery or anything like that. And I'd just like to pause to remember just how much hard work in so many different ways goes into what these wonderful young singers have given us. And I would say that particularly we've had great pleasure in choosing 5 singers. So thank you, Chloe, Kieran, Connor, Christy, Ashak, Nella, because you all brought to the concert this evening things that we knew you could from what we'd heard earlier, but you also brought things that we hadn't heard before. You've all raised our sense of what we brought and exceeded our hopes and expectations, and it's given us great pleasure to have a chance to hear you more than justify our confidence in you. So to all five of you, thank you for a great recital, and I suppose I better hand over to my partner in crime.
Gaia tegiad beth wedon ni. Mae di bod yn bleser trwy dydd i rondo ar pawb. Mae'r cyfenyddion wedi bod yn arbennig. Mae fe stwff o'n i'n di glywed erioed o'r blaen. Mae wedi bod yn arbennig ar y teg i chi. So, heb bostio amser, mi wedai enillydd Wobr Llais rhyngwladol Stuart Burrows 2017 yw Nella Shant.
We record tonight the distinction of the present, and we relate the wonder of the past. We salute Stuart Burrows, and born, as you will all know, probably in Kilburness, trained as a teacher here. He was to gain an international reputation as an operatic tenor. For 20 years he was to be recognized among the top lyric tenors of his day. He was recognized indeed as being the king of Mozart. But now in 1989, and this is why I butted in 1989, he was honored as a fellow of this institution. I was here to witness it. And when he launched the International Singing Competition. Since then, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, we deeply, Vice-Chancellor, Chairman of the Council, all of us appreciate deeply your presence and your interest. Because as you know, the competition has grown and grown in its appeal and in its reputation. You and I tonight have relished, I think, every minute. Poor Belia or Datkanyana Bellingham. We have enjoyed marveling at the marvel of the music. Diolch o galon.